they're not. They're trying to put ammo on it.
Guys, I'm recording. Timmy, come
Guys,
here.
whoever's playing that, turn it off.
I'm recording. Say hi.
Yo,
It's going on my YouTube channel.
You have a bag on your back. I hope
You heard me? It's going on my YouTube channel.
Will I take a bag and dupe it? Will I take a bag and dupe it? You can if you want.
Today in Animal Company, I met my twin. With Timmy.
Kaboom! 2025.
Yes.
I know this guy is 12 years old, but just acting like a 6-year-old, mate.
I'm not 25. I'm not 25.
No, you ain't, little bro. You sound like you've been through puberty already.
Nope.
I'm too big for this.
I too, guys. I too.
Stop it. Stop it. It's this dude who's doing it.
I'm gonna kill them. Stop using your phone, little bro. Stop using your phone. Guys. Oh, I'm gonna do it now. Who wants to hit the macaroni? Oh my god. Who just did that? Oh my god. Yo, cat, stop griefing, bro.
Kaiden, cat is griefing. Cat is griefing, Kaiden. Cat is griefing.
I was about to kill him. I shot him once. Get the bag. Get the bag.
Here you go, guys.
We're gonna go. That's it.
Bring him down to our stash.
Yo, the cat's freaking griefing, bro.
Guys, what should we do? What should we do? Bro, Kaiden's gone.
We dumped them
in here. Guys, Kaiden's gone.
Oh, well, one problem. Let's just dump him all in now. Because Kaiden's gone, so we're dumping. Because he's missing out on the fun.
Is he live? Is he live?
I don't know. I don't have to check my phone.
Yeah, he is. I don't know what happened. Right, lads, wait, guys. Get the bags. Get every single bag. Yeah, we're gonna dump it in.
Yo, we're still getting more bags. We're getting more bags.
Move up to the top, guys. Get all the bags. We need every single bag.
This one has nothing in it. Oh, wait, there's some up here. There's some out of it.
My game
I'm
is
getting
cooked.
Whoever plays on whoever.
Wait, should I make it more laggy by spawning shredders? Should I make it more laggy by spawning shredders? Yeah, do it.
Alright. Guys, wait, don't do it yet. Don't do it.
My PC. Help me, revive me. Someone revive me. Yo, revive me.
What just happened?
Yeah, we all got cooked up. Ukulele? What literally just happened?
Kaiden, you're back! Guys, Kaiden's back! Kaiden's back! Kaiden? Yeah, he's the blue raccoon! What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What have I done? Why am I still alive? What is going on?
They shot it.
Why did they shoot it, bro? I just wanted to be away from this. I just wanted to be away.
What's in me? What's in me?
I got moved
Oh, fuck. Let's go get out. Wait, come with me.
Someone used the ray gun and threw it away
Well, Timmy, come down.
to make free fly away.
Well, Timmy, come down.
Just to kill the people who greet.
Well, Timmy.
I'll get him.
Yo, can you guys tell me if it's PvP?
Huh?
Oh, I know where some of the bags are. Because this guy's being annoying. It's not PvP.
Listen,
Don't
give me a
grab
grapple.
So cold.
I need grapple.
What are we doing?
Miss everything.
What is happening?
What are we doing?
He's about to hit it.
About to hit what?
These nuts.
Yo, can someone buy me a grappler? What's in me? What's in me?
Look, where's my game again?
You wanna match my fit?
Ah.
Wanna match my fit?
Huh?
You wanna match my fit?
Yeah, well.
Let's go.
Bro, where's...
Bagel, I'm gonna unfriend everybody because everyone. What did you say? What'd you say?
Except me and Bagel. Except me and Bagel. What'd you say?
Wait, what about me, Kaden? I have the VPN.
Hey,
No, wait. Everybody go online. I'm gonna check who I'm gonna unfriend. It depends who I trust.
Go online.
I'm not your friend.
Go online.
I don't.
Wait, Kaden, do you trust me? Do you trust me, Kaden? Do you trust me?
Yeah,
Kaden, I
Bagel.
promise you, just trust me, I bro.
I'm online.
Careful! Oops, shoot! I accidentally.
Kaden, I'm not your friend. I joined C Money.
Kaden, did you? Kaden,
But
do you
everybody
have me
needs
back?
to
Oh,
go
yeah,
offline.
Okay, go fine.
Except my
I
thing.
got you, sorry.
Right,
Except Kaden, do you want me to appear offline? Kaden, do you want me to appear offline?
Don't accept it.
Everybody
yeah,
go offline except for me because I don't want anybody that I don't know.
Yeah, I bet.
Or I don't have friended to join. So
Yeah.
everybody
You
go
should
offline.
color code. You look bluer. You look bluer. We got,
I never
Yeah,
friended
see
you.
to
I
me.
never friended you. Bagel,
You guys want hard guns? What's in me? You guys want hard
Bagel,
guns?
join you, see
Yeah.
money.
You guys want hard guns?
Give it a second, Bagel.
I pooped them out.
I know. Just wait. Oh, join.
Pooped out some hard
they're
guns.
Galaxy. Oh,
Timmy,
yes,
do you
they
have Kaden added? Yeah,
Well-
poop out some hard guns. Huh?
Let me check.
I have him added, but he probably unfriended me.
I don't
Oh my
have
God.
Keaton added.
Oh my God.
I only have the purple.
Okay, bye Kaden. Bye Froggy. Bye little
What
Timmy.
the heck?
Wait,
If I join him,
do you think we're fine? Was?
I'm a... He trusts
I
me.
don't know.
Oh my God.
See money. Let me join you.
He trusted me.
He trusts me too. Then I could call you. I could tell you the code. Wait, is he online now? Wait. I think he unfriended me. Alright, see you later. I added you too. Can someone let me in, please? No, you added me back. Let me in. Bye. Hello.
And then 70
Give me that one.
million.
Give me that one. Give me that one.
How did this guy join?
Kaden trusted me.
I'm gonna go get infinite money.
How?
Mods.
I have Kaden at it.
Mods.
Because he trusted me.
Damn, that's how I have 1 billion.
How?
I
How?
want one. I'm on it. Look, this is how much
Mods.
money I'm at. I'm at 70 million. I'm at 1 billion 70 million.
I'm gonna add you because, yeah.
Where my grab? Oh, I forgot.
Right,
I don't have a
that's a
grappler.
full bag. Right,
I
everybody
added
make sure this bag's full.
Okay.
Everybody,
I'm the
You have to
second
fill this
richest in
bag.
animal company. I'm the second
You have to
richest
fill
in
that
animal
bag.
company because
Fill
my other
that
modder
bag.
friend named Coco has 11 billion.
Oh, shit. Fill this bag. Okay, I bet.
Let me get some. I'm out. Let me get some.
that's it. That's all we need. Oh,
I have to
got
waste
you.
some money. I'm sorry.
Right,
My
got
plan
you guys.
today is to waste 70 billion.
is it full?
Not billion, million.
No, you have to make it full.
yeah, I know.
Why am I still recording?
Yeah, that's
It's
full.
full, it's full.
All right, let's go up, guys. Let's go up.
Wait, guys, I'm recording
I'll
too.
bring this back. I'll bring this back. I'll bring this back.
I need a rocket.
You need rocket?
Okay,
Yeah.
you
Here,
some.
big up. Here. Kaden, here.
Oh, I'm on code now.
Thanks.
Here, guys, I got you. Here, everyone take two. Alright, everyone go. Here, big up. I'll put
W.
that. This guy can buy some and oh shit.
Hello? $20, $21. Here you go, guys. I have an extra bag for you guys.
One of you do that. One of you do that. Wait, what's in it? Oh, there's nothing in it. Oh wait, never mind. There is. Is it full?
Yes.
Oh, shit, it is. Someone do that.
Okay, I'll do it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
Pierre, just take the bags.
Take them. Oh. We're gonna keep one bag.
Whoa! Yo, someone's killing, someone's griefing, someone's griefing.
I'm dead.
Yo, I need another person up here.
We're dead.
Black. Whoa, someone is griefing our server now.
Who is that?
Wait, Kaiden added me. Oh, it's that glitch.
Same.
Hey, yo, Kaiden. He's gone. Alright, go ahead. Guys, I need you. Guys, come up.
I got you. I have a VPN. Kaiden, can you friend me? What? Why did you unfriend me? Oh.
No, it's the glitch. M Company's glitch. No one unfriended him.
Yeah, M Company's glitch.
No, he said that he was gonna unfriend people.
Yes, he did.
Yeah, it's just a glitch, bro.
Yes.
Trust. It happens to me all the time with my school friends.
But was that a glitch? Was it a glitch?
Yeah, it's a glitch. It always happens.
Well,
he's been up here the whole time. He's been up here the whole time.
Actually unfriend them.
You have to get them to unfriend you and then refriend you.
If I'm not speaking, I can't hear you guys when I come back after duping. Oh, wait, can you friend me?
Oh, wait, you got a VPN?
Yeah. Wait, can you friend me? You unfriended me.
Hi.
Oh, he gone. He gone.
Oh yeah, someone griefed the server because somehow I died.
I know, so someone shot a rocket launcher. I don't have them unlocked though. So.
I do, but I was at spawn the whole time. Not spawn, rocket. No, yeah, rocket.
Why are you jumping though?
Kaiden, we'll start pouring now. Kaiden, we're gonna start pouring now.
Hey, yo, Kaiden, can you friend me back?
Guys, this pot is gonna get like overfilled.
We done too much.
Making a massive boom with Kaiden.
Guys,
it's gonna be fun, so do the outskirts. Guys, do the outskirts as well. Do the outskirts of it.
I'm making a video of this. I'm putting it on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Same, bro, same.
Cause I got my YouTube channel like yesterday because my last YouTube channel I had got hacked.
Everyone, start pouring it out here. Everyone, pour it out the outside.
Oh yeah, outside.
Yo, we need to
My
keep
game
them
is lagging
bags. Keep them
badly.
bags. Keep them bags. Keep that bag. Put it there.
It's gonna explode away. Check all the bags. Check all the bags.
Shit.
Empty.
I'm gonna.
My game's too laggy.
I'm gonna explode it. Let me explode it. Let me explode it. Let me explode it.
Bro, my game is lagging so hard that it literally won't even let me throw the bag. Fly. Wait, Kaiden.
Alright. You ready?
Yes.
Are we leaking the code?
Wait,
Are we exploding everybody's server? We leaking the code?
Yeah.
Let's go leak it.
Let's go.
Oh no, it's gonna despawn. Quick. No, don't.
Don't do that, okay, but.
You missed.
I missed.
You missed again.
I got you guys.
It's lagging. It's gonna explode soon.
No.
Shoot it!
Oh, down.
I can't move.
Me neither. Guys,
Yes.
help. Help.
We can't move.